Hi everyone, Phil from Phil's Train Layout. Well, I thought I'd just do a quick little video today just to show you a bunch of the 3D printing that I do. Everything that I have here is all sold on my Facebook page and my Instagram page. I'll show the link on the screen here so that everybody can check it out and see if there's anything that you're interested in. I also do custom designs for people and have actually done quite a few. Hi everyone, Phil from Phil's Train Layout. Well, out in the garage again, just working on a couple of my 3D printed items. A bunch of them I already have painted up, and I'll give you a quick look. So there's the garbage bins, and the restaurant bins, some of the warehouse racking, some of the oil drums. There's a bunch of the skids that I also 3D print. There's some scrap bins. Those are all the propane tanks. I think that's the 250, 500, and 1,000 liter propane tanks. These ones here, I've did a little bit of spray touch weathering just to make them look a little bit worn. There's that one there. Just a little bit of surface rust on them, and then I'll touch them up with a wash later on. There's a couple of the skids that I painted brown, and these are other different crates that I've started 3D printing. I just painted those all brown, and then I'll touch them up with probably a black wash, just to highlight the cross bracing on the crates. These ones here, these are the phone booths. Actually turned out pretty good. Get that one turned around here. Oops. I'll leave that one there. So that one there is the phone booth with the door closed. And this one here is the phone booth with the door open. You can see right in there, I've got the phone up there in the corner, little shelf inside. And I just painted those silver. And then I'll touch them up with other colors after that dries. So I've also have all my vending machines here. I just sprayed them red because I'm a Coca-Cola fan, so I'll just make them Coke machines. Then maybe I'll spray a couple blue later for Pepsi products, but those are pretty good detail on them too. Turned out really good. Probably won't focus for you, but anyway. So next thing I'm going to be working on here is some of the wood fencing that I 3D print. And all of these products are all available on Phil's Train Layout store on Facebook. I just use Messenger for contact, and I have all the pricing on there for everything. And yeah, I sell everything. I actually been selling quite a lot of everything. And you know, I've got pretty low prices on everything because this is more of a hobby than anything else, and just giving everything for everyone else to enjoy some other details on their layouts. So I'm just going to give these a quick spray, and I'm going to paint them all brown, and then I can do a black wash on them later on to highlight some edges and details and get these into my church. There we go. I'll just give you just a quick view of what they look like after a quick spray. I think those things are going to look pretty great after I do a black wash on them. So I thought I'd show you a quick close-up look, see if I can get it to zoom in here, just on what the fence looks like after it's been painted. Turned out quite well. I actually think it's going to look good with a little wash on it and make it pop on the layout. I'm going to use those around the whole area of the church. That'll be the back wall that blocks all the trains going by. Well, this is just a quick little video just to show you some of the things that I 3D print and how easy it is to paint them. You know, I just use Rust-Oleum to spray it on. I use a matte color. Some of them I use a gloss, but you know, everything sprays really good, and details come out pretty nice. So thank you for watching, everyone. You know, please hit that subscribe button, share the videos to all your friends, and really helps out YouTubers to promote their channel. And take care, stay safe.